Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time I am bringing to you my top 5 dental must-haves. I promise you I am big when it comes to taking care of my teeth. I do have on braces right now. I know you guys can't really see. Oh, you probably can, but these up here are clear braces. Down below are like a gold, which makes them a little bit more able to hide, less noticeable. So you only can really see if I have on really good color bands, which is what I have down below. So I normally keep clear up top and like some type of color below. But anywho, nevertheless, I'm going to share with you my top 5 dental must-haves. I think this should be a part of your daily routine if you already don't have a really good one and you're looking for something good to take care of your teeth. I'll also even go in a little bit and talk to you about some whitening options that you could possibly do professionally. Now, let's get started, guys, okay? So the first thing I'm going to bring to you, number 1, has to be my Philips Sonicare toothbrush. This toothbrush, I live by it, okay? It has many options on here. It has the clean, the white, the gum health, the deep clean, the tongue care, and you can also change the heads on here to tailor it to actually what you choose down below. This is the Rolls Royce of all toothbrush. I promise you it is an investment, but it is a good investment. I feel like if you spend now, you won't have to spend later at the dental clinic getting a root canal or a cavity repaired, because honestly you're going to spend less on this than you're going to do on that. Another reason why I like this brush too, and I know a lot of doctors do recommend this brush or any type of electronic brush. And when I say electronic brush, I'm not talking about something that costs like 20 bucks at your local store, but something like the Philips Sonicare or maybe like an Oral-B or something like that, is because it does like really give a good vibration. It takes really good care of the gums and massages the gums to get them to where they need to be as well. So that's why I like this. Okay, my next number 2 product has to be my Waterpik. This is a Waterpik water flosser. You use it by putting water into this little reservoir, and you use the button here and you just turn it on. It sprays water in between your teeth, so it's just pretty much a water flosser. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. I live by this, especially now that I'm in braces. I have the little orthodontic tip on there, but they do come with different tip options. You can take the tips off, and you also can, sorry, I haven't taken the tip off, but you can take the tips off here, and you also can change the way that you can put the water pressure, so you can either have it on low or high. But I live by this. I do this every single night and even every morning when I wake up. It does get a little messy. That is the only downside to it, but I promise you, you won't get a really good clean unless you use some type of flossing, and the Waterpik flosser is the easiest way to go, especially our on-the-go moms or on-the-go families that just don't have time to really sit there and floss their teeth, you know? So, number 3. These two are going to go hand in hand. It just depends on whatever I'm feeling like. But I switch back and forth between Crest 3D White. This one's empty. And I also switch back to the Crest Baking Soda and Peroxide. So those are my top picks of toothpaste that I use. Both of them have whitening options. I like that because it does help sustain my whitening, which I'll tell you about a little later. But I do like the toothpaste one because it does have fluoride in it, and they both honestly have the same amount of fluoride in them. If you take a look on the back of all of your toothpaste, you want to try to make sure that you have something with fluoride. Now, if you are one of those people that are sensitive, these whitening ones are probably not going to be something good for you to use, especially the 3D white, just because it causes a little bit more sensitivity. It makes the tooth more porous. I would recommend something with more of just sensitivity or a basic toothpaste without whitening treatment. Now, my 4th must-have has to be this right here, okay? I even put a little bit in my water flosser when I'm doing the Waterpik, because it just makes your whole mouth feel really, really clean without that intense burn. Have you ever just like used Listerine and then you get that burn where you can't even keep it in for like 10 seconds. I don't like it. So this is a lifesaver for me. This is the Listerine Total Care. The reason why it's Total Care, because it's an anti-cavity rinse as well as a mouth rinse. Okay, so you're getting 2 for 1. If you're one of those people where you did the mouth rinse prior to brushing and then a mouth rinse after, this is going to be your all-in-one thing right here. Okay, I promise you, you're going to like it. The flavor is really good. It's a fresh mint flavor. I mean, you're going to find that in every typical thing that there is in dentistry. Mint, it makes your mouth smell good. It helps with bad breath, gingivitis, all that other stuff that you would probably have when you're looking for a good mouth rinse. So that's my number 4. Now, my number 5, and this is where I get in with whitening. This is what I do, and I don't do this every single day. I don't even do this right now while I'm in braces, which I've been in braces now for the past 5 months maybe, and I have like another 5 to go. But it has to be this, my Opalescence Boost. Now, I work in dentistry and I do get this stuff just because I can, and I've been doing dentistry for almost 10 years. But I'm telling you, go to your doctor and you let them know, hey, I want the whitening with the Opalescence Boost. There may be some other good ones out there. I've heard of other good ones. I can't swear by them, but I promise you this, that I've been using this for the past like 7 years. And this is the go-to, okay? Opalescence, it's the Boost one. It has 38% of whitening power to it. It's very strong. You have to be a warrior at heart, and you cannot have really good bad sensitivity when it comes to using this. But I live by this for really, really white teeth. And I mean, my teeth aren't like super white now, but this is it. You only have to do this like maybe once every 3 months, and that's just to keep you sustained. And you just go to your local professional. They're going to apply this to your tooth, because you cannot order this. Opalescence does make some to-go stuff, and they're just as good. So if you want to try that, you can look online for those. But I just recommend kind of doing it all in one by just making a one-stop shop to your dentist. So those are my must-haves. Again, my Philips Sonicare, my #1 toothbrush. I even take this on the go. I wish I can show you. Maybe I'll do another video just to show you what all comes with the Philips Sonicare. And then my Waterpik water flosser, my toothpaste, my 3D white, and my Crest with the baking soda and peroxide whitener, my Listerine Total Care. Make sure it's Total Care 0, okay? 0 alcohol. And then last but not least, my Opalescence Boost whitening treatment. Okay, guys, just let me know if you have any questions about any of these products. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you, or if you want to know any more detail about what I do. As far as my dental needs go for every night, I can let you know. I have no problems doing that. I love talking about teeth all day. What I will tell you is I do brush twice a day. I don't brush 3 times a day. You can if you want to. I'm just not that girl, okay? Life's busy. I'm going to brush in the morning and I'm going to brush at night. I do floss at night, but I do floss in the morning using my Waterpik flosser, and that has saved me a lot. I have had very little cavities in my lifetime. I've had about maybe 3. And I got my first one when I was like 18. Okay. Also, I do brush my teeth, and when I do brush it with this, I use the app that's that comes along with this Philips Sonicare, and it helps me out a lot because it lets me know if I'm brushing gentle or if I'm brushing too rough, or if I'm using the brush with too much motion. This brush, I'm telling you, it will save your life. And then another thing that I also do with my Opalescence is I have my dental professional again do that every 3 months, but just normal brushing and flossing. And if you're not one to invest in things like this, you want to still floss daily. Daily meaning you just need to get, pull out the long string and start getting in there. There's some really good floss, not general. There's some really good basic floss out there. If you're not one into all that other extra stuff, it's really good. And they're very cheap, to be honest with you. But anywho, I would really enjoy and love if you guys thumbs up my video. Definitely like it and tell someone you know. I know y'all be smelling people with bad breaths out there. Let them know about this video. This might help them, It's 2019. Let's get off to a good start, and let's all help each other out in whatever way we can. And you'll be seeing more videos from me very frequently, guys. I thank you so much for my very loyal subscribers and those that watch my videos every time I post them. I'm greatly appreciative. I will see you all in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.